D Smooth. Dre swag is flow.
Killer.
Y'all ready?
Killer. I'm killer. I'm killer.
Yo.
My nigga, I'm killer. My dick, she gon' feel her. I don't like the beat, but I'm a killer. My dick, bitch, I'm about to spill her. I'm a juicer animal, I'm a fucking animal. I'ma slip your girl up like a danimal. I'ma see the shit like a fucking animal in the bed. How she call me the animal?
Yeah, I'm ballin' like Mike Miller. Call me scary. Mike Jackson Thriller in this bitch. We don't stop, we suck this dick.
Oh shit.
No! Fucking with your mind, okay, I'm on my grind, I'm on my time. These niggas don't even know I rhyme, so I just get up in this bitch and I show these niggas what the fuck is up with my city. You should try if you see her. Haha, we getting money over
Smoking
here.
on this L. OG got the beat and I smell like weed in this kale. Car fucking tell. I ship the shit from marijuana, California to the Bellingham, and I see your bitch and I'm weak the plumber. Everybody vote for Obama. 2 times in the booth.
True.
Bottom punch your true.
Okay.
I see this bitch
All day.
way in the booth. She got a big booty, so I call her big booty. Skirt, 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 and I call her Big Jody.
I'm saying skeet skeet on her beat beat, and then I put her in her ass. She said eat eat.
Yeah.
Oh,
True.
it's the name.
Yeah.
You know what we do. Your mama is the blame.
Smoking.
Now listen up.
You can ass. Smoking.
Listen.
Guys. You can
I'm saying
ass.
say it.
Smoking.
Your girl.
Guys.
She wants some more cock. Look at your lineup. It's throwing old blind.
Nigga, when I steal my line, goddamn it, that's hella fine. You look like a shark with 30 teeth, but bitch, you wanna bite off my dick, that's fine. Hell no. You can suck a dick, little hoe. You can suck a dick like a piece of a boat, and I'm banging on your dick like Henny fucking Manny. Banging on the shit, I'm gonna change it like a tranny. She a fucking night like a beast, and I'm right, and I sing this bitch, and I'm coming like Mike. Sound like shit like the piece of pike, and I'm bitching like beast of light. I don't give a fuck. No likes, no bitches, no hikes. Suck the dick like the piece of pike, and I'ma fuck the girl while I ride the bike.
We all about that Obama. I got your mama and I put her inside of my so wobble, so sobble, so wobble, 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 and wobble that ass because I didn't even have to ask. She just did that shit. Now
Did
listen.
that shit. Did that shit.
Real nigga to the bone.
Bone, sweat.
Real nigga to the bone. Listen.
Slide it down, bone.
Real niggas to the bone.
Yo, listen.
Sending bitch niggas home.
I'm
Listen.
a grown ass black man. You don't like it, bitch? I slap a rubber band and put it around your neck and then hang your shit. Now who's dead? Stranded man. You a crazy ass lover man, and I'm coming down. You a lover man. You a dumb bitch. You like a buster man. I'ma fuck your bitch and I'ma fuck her hand. I'm crazy. I'm nasty. Fuck the dolphins and I'm trashy. Fuck the bitch and I'm coming down like a tiger. I'ma make it nasty. Kill the shit. Kill your bitch. I'ma kill the whip. Run outside. Kill the bitch. Break the grass. Break my shit. Done.
Listen, I call it SC curve because every time I drive it's like I bring that swerve to the street. And that swerve is the beat. And that's word to the beat. We the best you ever heard. Word up to the heat.